Have you ever had a chat with AI, or you had an idea yourself that you would wait to keep forever? There is a way to do so, and recently it got tied into what's called Codex and Quad Code. So if you are always being trying to have a system write down ideas and connect them together, this is it. And I'll show you right now. It's called Obsidian. It's free, and you can use it on your phone, your desktop, and it uses markdown. So if this does go away, you have access to your files as well. So it's not a commitment for you to use, so to maintain. But anyway, here's what it looks like, and here's a former chat I had with the Chat GPT. So I imported this, so I got Codex to make it. Codex has not touched this, but on the side for the visual people, there's a little map. But as you can see, it's very basic. So, but this is when Codex has touched this. I gave it instructions, but how I can tell it's the tags are inserted for me. This whole top part is inserted by Codex, and it's being formatted in a way. Actually, I did not fill this out. Actually, Codex has filled this out. And on here, for the visual people, you have a little map. So if you want to say, I want to know more about, we remember what context window is, I can just go here, and it will change the file, and I can remind myself about it. There's extensions where you can install on Chromium web pages, web browsers, and you can import them. You can import what you read in and into this system. I can show you how to set this all up in a future video if there's people who would like to see this. Let me know in the comments. I'll make that for you. And for the people who appreciate the graphics and like the visual people, here is Trick, which is the entire vault, that's what it's called, of my connected notes. And I actually have imported my Chat GPT notes into this as well. I can show you what that looks like in 1 second. Orphan notes. Look at the additional files. Every dot is a file, or the bigger dots are more like a higher. Like these are a little bit like this is more of a master file, but all these are files and related stuff. But anyway, you can have, I go into another off because that's kind of odd, but you can have some fun of it. So you can add tags, like look at all those tags. So you can visualize it in multiple ways. There's all the existing files, and I can turn that off in that. Oh, sorry, these are existing files. These are the files that don't exist yet, but they're connected to you. And these are all of it, as you can see. There's quite a bit. But for you people who who are autistic and like the visual effects of scenes coming together, right here in that little magic scene is you can hit it and it'll pop up and it'll show you over time how scenes get connected. It's kind of satisfying because this is your notes, your ideas, your work, depending on how you do it. This is for everyone, but studios use it, businesses use it, so it's very well rounded, and I have it connected to my phone and to my desktop on here, as you can see. So they connect the sync over the network. So that's being done. I'll show you my Codex. I have like done a little back and forth. And it's all nice. Like you can talk to like I go and do it now, and I want you to do instructions for me in one I want you to run the agent uh, skill and tell me what has changed in the last 2 minutes. So it's as simple as that. You can just talk to it, and when it's set up correctly, it'll modify those photo files I just showed you. So you don't necessarily need to touch the files, but as like I have done some previous work, like this took 7 minutes to do, 7.5 minutes, and I wanted another minute, 8 minutes, so on and so forth. But you can also have automations. So in this automation, I have access to update itself every hour. So when Codex is on and open in the appropriate folders, it will update it every hour. So I don't need to do anything, it just does it automatically. So anyway, that's all of the general idea on how you can keep all your notes, all your chat history, and any other thing that you want to keep in your file on your local computer. This is local. I have it connected to my phone, but you can keep it local. And I've seen examples people can make web pages. I have not done that yet, but I have seen people have done that. And there is some in the industry. There are some people who have done some fancy stuff with that. So anyway, if you are in Canada and you know Divergent, or you will work with someone who's know Divergent and feel behind AI, the information to work with me is in the description. And if you're interested in talking to me about our scenes, again, that information is in the description. And have a good day.